Figured I'd take my dog for another stroll to go feed the ducks. Yeah, hey Rex. Think they're going to attack you? Hey Rex. Hey, what are you doing? What do you say? Leave them alone, let them enjoy their snack. I think I'll go to jail for feeding the ducks, even though I'm not supposed to. Alright, we'll leave them alone too now, Rex. Maybe shorts wasn't the brightest idea in snow. Can't really see my legs though. Alright, so I've been a little worried. These tracks have been following me since I came out. I had to figure out whatever the creature, a smaller version of it, came this way. Crap, now I'm nervous. I don't know where it is. They're everywhere. It's crazy. I'm scared to keep them. I think it must have stopped here and ate its prey or something. I wonder who that could have been. Definitely more than one, so it looks like a pack of them laid here and no snow. Pretty sure I heard it down there. If you listen closely. There he is. Thank God it's only you, Rex. You scared me. Gotta do my part, Rex. Back to the ducks again, hey Rex. Looks like somebody else came by and fed them. Oh, that's it for our little stroll. Yeah. Oh, I went for a snack.